All right, good afternoon, everybody. Here we are. We're at the lake. So I've got my other camcorder here. So give you guys a chance to check out the clouds. Beautiful, huh? Look at that, right here on the lake, guys. Right here on the lake, and boom. There's the cabin. So you guys got the fireplace, plenty of trees, don't need a tent. We got the cabin. So I got everything out. So let's go take a quick walk. As you can see, it's gonna look really cool tonight. We'll have the fire going, we'll get some food. Might even go in the lake, I don't know. See how brave I am. It's been a long time. So anyway, come on in. All right, I'm gonna keep the door open just so you guys can see. You got a little bit of light. But as you can see, bunk beds. So 4 people could actually sleep in here. And I was supposed to have a buddy of mine come with me. Last minute, he decided to ditch on me, so what a friend, huh? But anyway, this is what I paid for. So, you open up the gate. Look at that. That's the view from the window. Pretty cool, huh? Alright guys, and we're gonna call it on this one. The 4K camera is, what is it I'm trying to say? The battery's low. So, always gotta fly on the window. But yep, that's through the window. Alright, waiting on the other one. We'll get some pictures taken, uploaded if we can. I do apologize again for the drive vlog. I'll have to figure it out. Like I said, I'm new. So, take care. We've got more coming. Peace.